Good morning, everyone. It's an awfully pretty day out here today. Just wanted to share with you my garden right there. And I just got it kind of set up. Then I've got coverings over it, of course, because I have trouble with neighborhood cats as well. Whether they're claimed cats or just feral cats or not, it's about the same. They're looking for the most convenient, easiest place to dig and use the bathroom. So as you can see behind me, I have almost all of my garden area covered with something, whether it be something they can't dig through or it would just be inconvenient for them to try. It seems to be working. So I just wanted to share that with you, that I don't just post videos. I actually struggle with the same issues you guys deal with. Anyway, I sure appreciate you guys, and keep my channel in mind, please. Give us a like, it really makes a difference. And thank you for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Happy gardening. Stop recording.